Hello world, this is Paul Whittakin returning to you today with the universal law of numbers, which are the perfect numbers in the perfect system, 1 through 9 and it goes that way, minus 1 through 9 and it goes that way, it goes up and down. If it goes to the left or the right or up and down, it does the same thing. So we have this one thing and that is always the same thing. And being the number system 1 through 9, it has an aspect about it, which is that it rotates. 9 does that. 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we see in the universal law of numbers is it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, but we go 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1 in that direction, and 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1 in the other direction. We may go 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4 in that direction, and 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4 in that direction. The reason it rotates is because it's being represented here. You can see that this triangle and this triangle and this triangle, which are the codes, the 369 code, are the same triangle. They're just rotating. 2 goes to 3, 5 to 6, 8 to 9, 3, 6, 9. We'll do some arithmetic. We'll try and figure out what this thing does. It's a math textbook. What do we have here? We have 2 to the 4th times 4 to the 4th times 8 to the 4th. 2 times 4 times 8. 2 times 4 is 8, times 8 is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 squared is 64. 2 to the 4th times 4 to the 4th is 8 to the 4th. 64 to the 4th. 64 to the 4th is also 8 to the 8th, because 8 times 8 is 64. Half of 8 is 4. It's also 16 to the 6th. It's also 4 to the 12th. It's also 2 to the 24th. So 2 to the 24th, 2 squared is 4 to the 12th. 4 squared is 16. So 4 to the 12th, 16 to the 6th. 8 to the 8th is 64 to the 4th. 64 to the 4th. Now we're just looking at it, the universal law of numbers. 7 times 4 is 28, 2 and 8 is 10 is a 1. 8 times 1 is 8, 4 times 7, 28 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 7 is 35, 3 and 5 is an 8. See, we look at it from the different aspects and we get a better comprehension what is going on overall. We're just taking one, I guess. 2 to the 11th times 2 to the 13th is 2 to the 24th. And we know 2 to the 24th is 4 to the 12th. And we know it's 16 to the 6th. And we know it's 256 to the 3rd, because 16 times 16 is 256. Anyway, 5 to the 11th times 5 to the 13th is 5 to the 24. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 2 and 4 is a 6, x to the 6th. No, we did that already. Okay, what do we got going on here? 3 squared times 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 6th. 2, 4, and 6. 2 and 4 is 6, and 6 is 12. That's 3 to the 12th. 3 squared is 9, so 3 to the 12th is 9 to the 6th. But 3 squared times 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 6th is 3 to the 12th, which is 9 to the 6th, or 3 to the 6 squared. 3 to the 6 is 729. 531, 441. 729 squared. 9 to the 3rd. Squared. 9 to the 3rd squared. 729 squared. 3 to the 6 is 9 to the 3rd squared. And we're just learning that it goes like this, across and down, and some of the numbers down are the same numbers. Well, 3 number can be a 6, 9 number, or a 2 and a 4 can be the same number. So some of them will know how to do it both ways. But anyway, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 squared times 4 squared is 8 squared. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 to the 5th times 3 to the 5th is 6 to the 5th. 5 to the 4th times 7 to the 4th is 35 to the 4th. 8 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th is 24 to the 4th. 6 squared times 6 to the 4th is 6 to the 6th. 7 to the 3rd times 7 to the 5th is 7 to the 8th. 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 6th, 3 and 6 is 9. 2 to the 9th. So we'll leave it at that. We're making short videos now. My name is Paul Wittekind. Peace and happiness to all good people of the world.